So in my last YouTube video, I made this weights bench, and I got a few people asking me how much weight do I think it could safely take. And to be honest, I wasn't really sure, so I thought the best way is to find out. So I'm using this piece of ply for two reasons. One, it protects the bench, and two, it means I can stack the bags in a way that I don't have to go too high and it gets a bit top heavy and unstable. So before we get too far into this, have a little guess in the comments on how much weight do you think we're going to get up to. I'm trying to keep the bags all as level, as flat as possible, because the higher this gets, the more unstable it's obviously going to become. And obviously this is quite dangerous. If it was to fall, it would do you a lot of damage. So if you're going to try and copy something like this, be really careful. Keep safety in mind. So at this point you can see that I've ran out of bags and I'm resorting to using my actual weights. So the bench seems to be handling the weight easily. There's no creaks or cracks going on that I can hear. So I'm not sure if you've seen the video to me making this bench. I'll put the link in the description if you want to check it out. But this bench it's all mortise and tenon joinery and wood glue. That is all that is holding this bench together. There's no mechanical fixings of any kind. I had to get this bench over the 700 kilo mark, so as you can see here, I'm now having to use my tools. So there you have it, 700 plus kilos. That's more than I'll ever lift. So here's just a little walk around, just so you can see that there's nothing out of sight secretly holding this bench up, taking all the weight. Well, I hope you found the video useful, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.